Hey there, I'm Nina with Nina Suggs Watercolor. So today is Monday, July the 22nd, 2024. And I know this is kind of last minute, but I am hosting a live virtual workshop via Zoom tonight at 7 o'clock Eastern Time. And I just wanted to put out this short little video and show you what we're going to be doing. This is my painting. This is a super fast. I got this done in 45 minutes, including drying time. Super fast little painting to do that is so good for gift giving. It's super duper beginner friendly. And if you're a more advanced painter, this is one of those things that you can join in and paint along just to have fun with. And maybe I have a technique that you haven't tried yet. I don't know. We'll see. But I hope that you will join me in painting this little initial. And if you go to the link that I'm providing for you in the description box below, it will take you over to my website where you can sign up for this live virtual event. And I'm going to give you a free line drawing that you can transfer to your watercolor paper, a free reference photo, and I'm also going to include a reference photo of all the letters in the alphabet, not just the one we're doing tonight. And I'm also going to give you a list of materials, tools, and supplies that we're going to be using in this little workshop tonight. And also, if you've never transferred a line drawing to paper before, there's going to be a free video tutorial teaching you how to do just that. So I hope that you will join me. We're going to have a lot of fun, and this is a very quick, personalized type of handmade gift that you could create, give to somebody for a birthday, a wedding, a baby gift, a Christmas gift, whatever the occasion might be. Personalized gifts are so much fun. And the thing that you got to keep in mind too, we're going to be painting some very loose washed flowers, but you could put anything on there or nothing at all. You could do just the letters, or let's say it's a baby shower. You could include some baby bottles or rattles or diaper pins, anything baby related, just like we're going to be doing the flowers, but something different, or animal. If it was a wedding, you could do just kind of tone on tone type of a painting, or if it was a birthday, you could do it in someone's favorite colors. Anyway, I'm just trying to express how easy and how fun this personalized, gift-giving, handmade, quick and easy painting will be. So click on that link below and join me tonight to paint. I will see you there.